Okay, hi, I'm Dave Briccetti. I'm a software developer, and like you, I have been working on this simple Twitter client for about 3 weeks, I guess. And today I got some great help from some Norwegians whose names I can't pronounce. So I'm going to get a little help here. Let me just turn my mute off. Let's see, 1 second here. There we go. Okay, and I'm going to turn the speakers up so you can hear it. So I'd like to thank my new friends.
Alf Christian Støyla and Fredrik Trondsen.
They're here to do something. Oh, here it is. Precious seconds, but that's okay. I don't have that much to show. It'll be back. I have to do the maybe the detect. Yeah, here it is. Okay, so thank you, Audacity. Do you still use Audacity, Dick? Yeah. Okay. So here's this Twitter client. I started out as this just being an exercise in programming in Scala. I do desktop Java Swing stuff, so this uses a Scala package that wraps Swing. I presented this on Monday, was it? Was that yesterday? Time flies out here in another land. So I'm not going to show a lot of the code. I'll just show some of these features. And the source code is here on GitHub. I've been tweeting about this to our shared repeater thing, so you can take a look there if you're curious. So this is obviously very different from the other ones. It's not aesthetically pleasing. However, it's compact and very easy to use. So you click here and then you see, I hope we can see the whole screen. Right. So there's kind of an expanded view of it. So one way of operating is just moving down with the arrow keys, and you can see the bigger version of it here and see the pictures. Some people have nice photos, so you click on their photo and then the big picture comes up. Some people actually have full-size photos that are smaller than the 48 pixel squared thumbnails, and so they get scaled up to make the thumbnails, and they look bad. So some of the features are, let's say there's someone here who's being really chatty. I don't like Scobalizer, for instance. So you can mute that person, and then look how much the list shrank. You can also put people into groups. So let's say this is somebody who I think is important, so I'm going to tag him with this tag. Right now these tags are fixed, but later you'll be able to create your own. And then you can come over here to these filters. Prepare yourself for an ugly GUI. And you say, I want to see just the important ones. And so you apply this, and then you come back to here. And then this, and I have some from before. So here you just see the ones that you've identified as important. So if you're in a hurry, you can focus in on some subset of it. So let's go back to the filters and turn that off. You can also search to include or exclude with strings or regular expressions, which is nice if you're looking for something. You can see who you're following and who your followers are. Unfortunately, I haven't finished this, so it only uses the first 100 followers and followed that it finds, but it tries to show you the intersection, so you can see in bold here who I'm following, who's also following me. Okay, let's see. So did I forget to click apply over here? Did anybody notice? Let's see.
Yes, you forgot.
Okay, so what else do I want to show here? You can say, so this is the ones that I hadn't read yet. You can reload the last 100. You can unmute people that you've muted. You can change, Twitter has a limit of, I think it's 100 requests per hour that you can make through the API. So you can adjust this. These are just seconds, and this could be, that could look nicer. So I guess to summarize, it started out as a learning exercise for doing Scala programming, and it's grown to something that I actually like. And I was really thrilled that those guys from Norway, we were in this room for 2 or 3 hours, and we made some significant enhancements to it. So if other folks want to join in the project, that's great. So I'm going to stop early. Thanks for looking.